It's hot. I'm gonna take this time to rig myself up some power, and I think I'm gonna bring a fan in here real quick. See if I can get some circulation of air. Y'all, this battery was sent to me, and I'm about to use it to kind of rig up a little system that I can plug into. It's a LiFePO4 12.8 volt 100 amp hour battery. Its applications are for RVs and campers and people doing what we do, putting the solar out there, living off grid. So y'all know what this is. Let me get an inverter to hook up to this thing real quick. I got this little cheapo inverter off Amazon, y'all. It's not a pure sine wave, but it'll work. I charge it up to 100%. As y'all can see, the thing is pretty lightweight. It's renewable. We're gonna get the energy from the sun, fill her up, use her over and over and over again. We just gonna take them and connect them. But this popped on to let me know that, hey, it's at 13.2 volts. Let's see what it does here. We plug that in, we turn that on, and we turn that on. And that's loud. Links are in the description. The guys were nice enough to send it out and at MH, and I appreciate that. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's see if we can spray this. If not, and it goes everywhere.